I selected this type of new implant for cases where I need to achieve a high degree of primary stability. And from that point of view, I really had a very positive feedback because I was taking some torque insertion measurements and also the ostial measurements, and the values were very high. In cases where we really need a high degree of primary stability, I think that is helping us to reach it. When you have, for example, a narrow ridge with some little crestal defects, then it's much easier to insert the tapered implant, because in the first stages of implant insertion, then you have it's very easy to match the osteotomy with the apical narrow part of the implant compared to the standard implant. When you have convergent roots or some undercuts in the apical part of the other process, having a tapered implant is also a benefit, because it reduces need for bone augmentation procedures and risk for touching the adjacent roots.
The possibility to use an implant that is more aggressive, the better grip, is very interesting, because in my practice a couple of times I have had the possibility to not to perform the immediate loading due to the low torque reached by the implant bone level. So I think that this new implant can improve this particular clinical situation. And just last week I performed an immediate loading of 4 implants in a very low density bone, and the use of this implant has allowed me to perform the immediate loading. The feeling was very good from the clinical point of view. When I inserted the implants, it was very comfortable, and this the fact that they are self-tapering, that we can under-prepare the site, is a very good option from the mechanical point of view. On the other side, we have the same quality of the surface, the same quality of the material, and so we can combine these two options for our treatment. Yes, I like this implant. I can easily reach the primary stability when I need this, for instance, an immediate loading, or when I have to perform a bone regeneration procedure. And then I'm not renunciating to the secondary stability that is important too. I was very happy with this.